she you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. And it's hunting season, so I got my orange on just in case, you know, go up for a leak or something. Don't want to get shot. Anyways, today I've got an unboxing. You know, the last little while I've been spending some time trying to clean the shop, and I'm making headway, I have to say. It's looking good, looking better. But I was watching a few videos on YouTube of guys cleaning their shop, and one of the tools that they had that really helped them clean, not only clean their shop, but keep it clean. Well, I liked it, so I ordered one off of Amazon, and let's go have a look at it right now. All right, this is what I ended up getting. It's a battery-operated leaf blower and vacuum, they say. I don't know that I'll use it for vacuum. I'm interested in the blower. Like I was saying, I've been watching a few videos lately of how guys keep their shops clean, and the tool that shows up the most is just one of these battery-operated blowers. And they just, when they're finished working in the shop, they tidy up all their tools, and then they blow the floor off and blow everything out the door. It's working really, really good and keeping their shop clean. So I'm going to try that technique, see if I can keep my shop a little bit cleaner than what it is right now. Okay, so we're going to open this up and just see what we got. It's a battery-operated unit. I found this on Amazon. I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link for this down below. But I don't know if this is any good or not, so I wouldn't rush out right now and buy one. I'm going to use it for a little bit and then I'll give you an update. So, first of all, it's got one of those, snaws. Okay, lots of plastic, I must say. It's battery operated. Here's a battery charger that came with it. And only one battery. But if I look at the battery, it's a pretty hefty size one. Like, that's what I wanted to make sure, that I had a good sized battery, because the blower, you know, it couldn't be used for, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes at a time, so I want to make sure the battery lasts. And then, what else is here? Oh, there's lots of stuff. This is the end, like the blower end, the funnel. That's going to go in here, I bet you. But anyway, we'll see about that in a minute. There's a strap for it. That handy. What else is in here? Oh, there's what I was looking for. The instructions. And then, oh, 2 bolts and 2 nuts and 2 lock washers, and then there's the unit itself. The meat and potatoes of the whole thing. This is going to be a good blower, I can tell, right off the bat, because look at all this bubble wrap they sent us. Oh, I had hours and hours of fun breaking those. Okay, enough about that. It looks like a jet there, doesn't it, with that nose cone on the end of it? Oh, baby, she's a beauty. It's called Met Wantes, or Meat Wantes, or Miet Wantes. It's a cordless leaf blower. It's model 1860, max 450 cubic feet per minute. So the name, you know, all the name means it's a sticker, right? Because I'm sure these are all made in the same plant. They just put a different sticker on them, depending on where they're sending them. But what's important, not even the model number is that important, but what to me is important is the 450 cubic feet per minute. Now, when I was checking through blowers, they range from like 150 to, you know, a lot. So I wasn't much interested in the lower ones. I didn't want a high one. I didn't want to blow the door off the shop here. I just wanted to blow, well, it says blow leaves, but I want to blow dirt and debris off the floor out the door. So 450, that seemed to be like a good middle of the road spot. It's got a little bit of weight to it, and it doesn't even have the battery on it yet. But anyway, it sits down, it sits nice, It's got a good feet on it, so it's not like you're going to sit it down and it's going to be falling over all the time. It looks like it's going to stand up good. So when I put the battery in it, the battery goes on the end. So with the battery on it, well, there's a little bit of weight to it, It's heavy. I'm going to have to say that it's heavy. But it seems like it's balanced pretty good. I have no idea the lifespan of the battery. So let me see how this goes together. Can I just put this straight on there? No, you can't. So you have to put this end on it. So that goes in here. Some assembly required. You can see that right off the get-go. That's why they supply you with these 2 nuts and bolts. because the nozzle goes in here, and then there's these bolts. Oh look, they even give you the tiniest Allen key I've ever seen in my life, about 2 inches long. Anyway, so these bolts go in here, and in here. Something like so. And the nuts, there's the location for the nuts are shaped to fit the nut, so you don't need any kind of a wrench to hold them in there and tighten them up. And this smallest Allen key I've ever seen in the whole world fits right in there, tightens those up. Now I imagine you don't have to put those down there like 40 foot-pounds. So yeah, when I was watching these videos about guys keeping their shops clean, you know, I was thinking, how the heck do they do it? How can you work in the shop and then have your shop still be clean? I have no idea how that happens. I've been in shops where it's like that, but I can't do it in my shop. So one of the things I noticed was a lot of the guys have these blowers. Some of them are corded, some of them are gas operated. Some of them are like this, battery operated. So I thought, what the heck? I'll post, I don't know, along here, how much this blower costs. Right now, that goes in there, just like that, and then it turns and it locks on. How about that? Okay, so that's the way she looks. Let's put the battery on it. Is there any power in there? Oh, there's a little. Now, one other thing I noticed on it, there's a little speed control dial here. So it's variable speed. It goes from minimum. Here's the minimum speed. To maximum. And the battery's not even fully charged, but when I put that on maximum, you can feel the blower pushing back into your hands. So I like that. It says it's a vacuum too, but I think that's just the company, probably makes blowers and vacuums. This is just a dedicated blower. All right, so I like it so far. So one of the areas I have trouble cleaning is the saw, in and around the saw. There's always sawdust on the floor. My dust collection needs work because it doesn't get all the dust. But there's always sawdust built up in here along the rail and like in the channels here on the bed and everything. So I'm hoping that this is going to help with that. So I just want to do a demo here now and see. I'm going to start on minimum. Not bad, eh? But hey, nobody likes minimum. Let's go max. Doing a good job, and I never even charged the battery yet, so haha, I'm liking this. This is going to be good, folks. You know, I used to spend a lot of time sweeping the floor, and like in corners over there where the shovels are, can't get the broom in there, so you'd have to stop and pull all the shovels out. Pain in the rear, right? No, not anymore. I just put this on it, it blows them all away. Now, one thing I'm noticing, this end, let me see if I can get it off here. I wonder if I can put it on upside down. Yeah, now look at it. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta clean the shop. Nice blower, eh? I think this is gonna work good in the shop. It's gonna be a good ad in my shop. It's gonna be a great way to keep the shop clean, or cleaner. Of course, all I had to do is, you know, pushed the boom around a little bit, it would have been cleaner. But no, I think this is going to work good. 450 cubic feet per minute, I think it's a good volume for cleaning up the shop. I think anything stronger than that, it would just blow dirt and dust everywhere instead of a controlled blow, because that's what you want to have, I think, is, you know, just blow it along the floor. And when I change this nozzle around so that it sort of points up instead of down, I think that works better. So it's nice, eh? Nice that it's adjustable, first of all. So I think that's going to be good. Thanks again for watching. Sure hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, folks. Have a great week. Hey, keep your shops clean, and we'll talk to you.